Welcome to Season 3, Episode 4 of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, Dr. June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer. In this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life-changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best in what she does. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we are exploring today. What would happen if the only reason that you're not having the life that you want is because of your limiting beliefs and you finally learn tools to let it go? That's exactly what our guest is going to reveal today. Now, allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. We are honored to feature a woman whose journey is the perfect example of brilliance, resilience, and unstoppable evolution. Our guest is a highly accomplished civil engineer and quantity surveyor manager who has spent 20 years leading major infrastructure projects in the Middle East, specializing in roads and bridges that literally connect lives and communities. But her story doesn't stop there. For the past 7 years, she has also mastered the world of forex trading, proving that her mind is not only built for structures, but also for strategy, growth, and calculated decisions. Yet what makes her truly extraordinary is her deep desire to understand the human mind and human potential. Her passion for learning led her into psychology, Reiki healing as a level 1 practitioner, a certified neurolinguistic programming practitioner, and meaningful research on children with autism and ADHD, showing her heart for both excellence and service. From building bridges in the physical world to helping create deeper understanding in the emotional and mental world, she is a beautiful reminder that success is not limited to one path. She is a woman of logic, intuition, compassion, and continuous growth. Get ready to be inspired by her story of reinvention, purpose, and unstoppable expansion. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Coach Jory Liza Jory Alojado.
NLP changed my life. It changed the way I see the world and the way I understand people. Wala na yung situation na mahirap i-handle. My problems before are no longer a problem. I no longer see things as a problem but as a challenging way to change the outcome by applying the tools of NLP, if applicable, of course. In short, life is easier. So I took control of my life. That is why it's very empowering and liberating, actually. I get to use my highest potential as human being as much as I can. I used to struggle with handling my finances and investments, but now I've been able to change my bad habits and limiting beliefs about money that were blocking my way to success. And of course, improve the way I deal and connect with people. I connect with them in a more deeper way, nawala yung pagiging judgmental ko sa tao.
Ang galing, no? So just to backtrack, Coach, no, yung challenge mo during that time was yung money programs mo. So before
Yes.
enrolling in our program, yun ba yung parang pinaka-challenge mo na kumbaga napilitan, parang ano nangyayari sa buhay ko, bakit ganyan? And what made you say yes?
Actually, before, Coach, I already have an idea about NLP. As I can see in the social media, it says that it's about understanding how the brain works. So I got interested, actually, because siguro 5 years back, I've been studying human psychology, self-study. Na-interest ako about NLP when Charm told me about, yun nga, may nag-offer, and then Pinoy yung mag-teach. Sabi ko, mas okay siguro kasi mas madali kong maintindihan. And timely lang talaga kasi during that time, I got promoted to a manager. And then, merong isang ka-office mate ko na ang hirap niyang i-handle. He's also a manager. So, wala akong choice but to deal with him. Sobra-sobra yung negative energy niya. Hindi ko siya kayang i-handle talaga kasi he loves to scare people. Yung mga tao ko sinisigawan niya.
Mm.
So, sabi ko, dalawa lang ang choice ko. Either I have to leave my job or kailangan ko makonquer to. Kailangan, I must have a stronger mental way to handle him. Actually, hindi ko alam kung paano. So, nung sinabing NLP, and at the same time, sa investment ko, meron din ako mga struggles like, yun nga mga limiting belief ko about money. Money can't stay longer sa akin kasi nga, it comes and goes. So, hindi ko talaga siya nabibigyan ng value. So, those are one of my limiting belief. So, hindi ako nag-hesitate. Nag-book agad ako sa iyo ng clarity session. And then, yeah, without hesitation, nag-join ako.
Coach, nung sample sa colleague mo, no, yung sa manager as well, and also the limiting beliefs, what were the thoughts running through your mind? Ano ba yung parang naiisip mo nung time na yun?
Yun nga, nahirapan ako. Hindi ako masaya dahil everyday para siyang hell sa akin going to work. Although, meron akong idea about handling people, to understand them. Pero ibang level talaga siya. Hindi ko siya kaya kasi nga siguro dahil malakas yung energy niya and then nauuna yung pagsigaw. So, ang hirap niyang i-analyze. At hindi lang siya, syempre mga Middle Eastern na mga nationality, matapang sila eh. So, nahirapan ako. So, sabi ko, I really need this. And also, para sa anak ko, I also need the NLP because, I can understand him more better as he grows up.
Ano yung nakaparealize sa'yo, coach, na dapat merong something had to change or kailangan may pagbabago na mangyayari?
Ma-handle ko, I must have a strong mindset or mental health na kailangan ko siya, hindi ko actually alam, coach, kung paano ko siya i-handle. Only after nag-join ako na alam ko paano na siya i-handle through the tools.
Amazing. Ang galing, no? Ang galing talaga, coach. Kasi very concrete kasi yung example mo eh. You were able to apply it kaagad, no? You were able to apply it kaagad and you were able to see the results, no? Especially with that boss. Did you apply it with your boss ba? That specific person?
Yes, of course, coach.
Ang galing.
I've been doing self-development for 5 years now. But, I truly believe na something has to be done para mas ma-master ko yung self ko, ma-master ko yung paano ko i-handle yung ibang tao, yung mindset. So, yun nga.
No, coach, meron bang isang specific NLP tool or technique that immediately shifted your perspective nung natutunan mo?
Yes, coach. After the second day of the class, I already had an aha moment when I learned about the meta models, yung building rapport, mirroring, and reframing. And you said, hurt people hurt people. And so, healed people heals people. So, I asked myself, does it mean na yung taong yun, maybe he loves to scare people because he's scared? So, doon ako aha moment, coach. Parang, oh my God, kaya pala siya ganon. So, doon nagsimula yung pag-change ng approach ko sa kanya. So, after natin ng second day of class, excited ako to go to work para ma-experiment, para ma-apply. So, first, ang ginawa ko, I build rapport. Then, I mirror the person. Since mahilig siya manakot, this time, tinakot ko siya.
Wow.
And then, I reframed him. So, wala ko expectation kung may effect ba, but I'm just doing it because I trust the process.
Yeah.
Then, amazing coach, after 2 hours, just after 2 hours, hindi ko alam, grabe na pala ang effect sa kanya.
Okay lang ba, coach, if I ask you a deeper, can you share, pwede mo makwento in detail?
So, lagi siyang marami siyang terminate sa office. Ano siya, hahanapan niya ng negative yung tao. Tapos, noon siya na lagi nagte-terminate. One day, sinabihan niya ako, is this the best thing you can do? Ito lang ba? Ginanon niya ako. So sabi ko, syempre ako, alam ko na kasi paano
Yeah.
mag-protect ng energy. So sabi ko sa kanya, kung hindi ka masaya sa work ko, you can do whatever you want. So in-expect niya ma-trigger ako kasi somehow nag-study na rin ako eh.
Yeah.
In-expect niya ma-trigger ako. So yun yung last na nag-usap kami. The next time, nung nalaman ko na yung tool, nag-follow up ako. So ang ginawa ko, pumunta ako sa office niya. Ako talagang pumunta.
Yeah.
Nag-build ako ng rapport, nag-usap-usap kami na, okay, may meeting ako dito, ganyan, ganyan. And sabi ko, inaway ko yung mga tao doon. But you know what? Na-surprise ako after ko silang nakipag-argue sa kanila, inofferan nila ako ng job. Ang ganda ng offer actually nila. So na parang naunahan ko siya, naaalis ako. Sabi ko, ang ganda actually ng offer nila. In fact, last month, inofferan din ako ng ganitong company. But you know what? Sabi ko, but you know what? I just stayed because yung owner, mabait. And then hindi ko alam na natakot na pala siya. Akala niya talagang nagparinig na ako at aalis na ako doon. So sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, yeah. So in-explain niya na ang market ngayon. So minirror ko siya, yes, yung market ngayon, ganito. But it's not easy. Yes, of course, it's not easy. Yung ganun, so mini-mirror ko na siya. And then nag-reframe ako na, you know what, itong mga company na to, yeah, they have a better, benefits. And then yung working environment nila, maganda. And then it's really good to work with this kind of people. Ganyan. So, but of course, I wanted to stay here because, I see potentials in the company. Ganyan. So, iniba ko. Na ni-appreciate ko, tinakot ko siya, pina-appreciate ko pa rin, and I stayed. And yung owner, ang bait. So, hindi ko alam na na-shaken na pala siya. So, ayun, just after 2 hours, hindi ko alam, grabe na pala ang effect to the point na kinausap na pala niya yung owner. Right after nung nag-usap kami. Tapos, after 2 hours, pinatawag ako ng owner ng company. Tapos sinabihan na, ito yung third increment mo in a year. Sino ba mag-akala? Kasi yung first increment ko, coach, nangyari yun nung first and second. First is nangyari nung nag-attend ako ng Mind Valley. Ano naman ang ginamit ko nun? Psychic meditation. And then may na-follow up. And then eto. Pero mas bongga tong sa NLP. Kasi combination ng first and second increase. Tapos, sino ba mag-akala sa third increase in a year? So, and then after a week, pumunta pa siya sa room ko. Nag-sorry siya. Sabi niya, I'm so sorry sa lahat ng sinabi ko. I was wrong about you. I have to have the guts to come to you and say that I'm sorry. At binawi daw niya lahat ng mga pinagsasabi niya about sa akin.
Wow.
So, hindi ko in-expect yun.
Amazing, Coach Jory. No, it's such a nice. By the way, everyone, if you're watching this, increment is increase, no? Increase in salary. Para very clear tayo. It's so amazing, Coach Jory. Iba na kinikwento mo na eh. Kesa yung kanina parang passing lang. No,
and Coach, just to add, right now, tuwing nakikita kami, sinasabi niya sa akin, you know what, Jory? I can't believe and I'm so proud of you. Ibang-iba ka before and now. And then yung mga ibang managers din na akala ko parang hirap sabayan. gustong-gusto na nila pumunta sa kwarto ko. Dati walang pumapansin sa akin. Oo, walang pumapansin, coach. And then, hirap ako kasi iba yung culture, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos matapang sila. And then, pero iba pala nung nakita ko, ano lang, mini-mirror ko lang sila. Hindi ako nag-go against them. Nag-agree ako. I don't have to be pushy. Nakikinig ako. And then, yeah, parang nakukuha ko yung loob nila.
Yeah.
And then, nire-reframe ko sila. Na you know what, maybe ganito. It could have been like that. So, nagustuhan nila ako. Until now, lagi na silang dumadaan and they're so nice to me na.
Well, thank you for sharing, Coach Jory. Because the reason that ang galing talaga, Coach, no? Kasi marami ding mga leaders sa, let's say, Middle East na mga babae, di ba? And they would have that limiting belief na kasi babae ako, tapos ano yung tingin ng ibang lahi sa akin, di ba? They feel that mas mababa kasi babae. But with your journey right now, no? As a, kumbaga, engineer ka pa, so syempre, yung culture nyo, puro mga lalaki na kumbaga,
Actually, coach,
masculine
mahirap
environment.
kasi first manager ako ng company na Filipino. And then, hindi gaanong, walang leadership papunta dun sa mga women. More on men.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
So imagine, first Filipino manager in a construction firm, di ba? So
Sa
it's
company namin.
sa company
Oo.
ninyo. So imagine, what more sa iba, no? What more sa ibang companies, coach, na may mga babae din that are, kumbaga, they have leadership potential and minsan nadadala lang sila kasi babae sila. They feel that, kumbaga, mas mababa yung tingin. And then, with your journey, with the right tools and techniques, you were able to, kumbaga, level up and become equal. So, kasi after that, they treat you as equal already. Hindi na yung
Yeah.
babae yung tingin niya sa iyo as a manager already. No, ganyan na yung tingin nila. That's also what happened to Coach K. Coach K in the Middle East naman, sa Saudi naman si Coach K, no? When she was able to level up Coach Jory, parang wala na, parang everyone's equal, no? Wala nang distinctions, no? Wala na, kumbaga, wala nang
Mm-mm.
culture. Pare-pareha na tayo dito. And it had to start from us, no? It had to start from us. We had to also overcome ourselves, eh, kasi depende din sa pag-iisip natin kung matatalo tayo ng pag-iisip natin, coach, no? Now, coach, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? Ano yung naramdaman mo, coach?
Masarap sa feeling, coach, because, mastering yourself and, yung feeling na you can change the outcome of your life just by applying the tools. It's very empowering when you take control of your life and liberating nga because you're no longer affected by your outside environment. So, yung it's up to you whether magpapa-affected ka sa life or hindi. So, it's within your control. So, and you can influence them. You don't have to disagree, you don't have to fight. You can just suggest and then reframe, yung dun sa tools nga. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-exert ng todo effort to disagree and fight with the people. Mm-mm.
After experiencing your own transformation, ano ba yung mga pagbabago na napansin mo sa personal and professional life mo, coach?
I don't judge people anymore
Mm-mm.
because, I believe we are all made perfect by God. And I now understand that it's their belief and programming yung naiiba sa kanila. And siguro that is their truth, yung belief nila or their programming nila. And hindi ko kailangan baguhin yan. Na all I can do is ask better question or offer a different perspective. And the change should come from them, not from me. And yun nga, life became more easier. Especially like, yung mahirap na mga tao. Hindi mo kailangan silang ipilit baguhin
Yeah.
or ipilit yung gusto mo. Yeah. You can just reframe their thinking. Hindi naman siya on the spot, but then mababago mo, ma-influence mo, kaya mo siyang influence with the tools.
Wow. Ang galing, coach. And how has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you?
It made me more proud of myself as a leader in the office. Masarap sa pakiramdam when I give people another, choice in life, na may choice sila. Kasi minsan fixated yung mind nila. And then nare-realize nila, oh nga no. So they start questioning themselves. And for example, coach, sa work, pag nagbigay ako ng instruction, minsan yung tao may hesitation. So nag-observe agad ako. And I ask them directly, what's stopping you from doing the task?
Yeah.
Tapos, dati kasi nagagalit ako. Ako ang manager dito. Dapat sumunod ka. But now, pag nakita kong may hesitation, tinatanong ko, what's wrong? So, what's stopping you? What's on your mind? Let me understand. Maybe you have a good suggestion. Maybe mali ako. Maybe you have a better way to do the work. So, hindi ako nag-i-insist na gawin mo to, kailangan. No. Mas ina-analyze ko kasi inisip ko program nila yan. Something is wrong with the program. Bakit hindi sumusunod to? And then, ini-explain ko sa kanya na, okay, maybe you have a point at wala din masama dito sa pinapagawa ko. And then, if naman valid, tinuturo ko sa kanila na, okay, one-sided kasi yung pag-iisip mo. What if itong person na to doesn't think the way you think? Ipapakita nga, ilalatag ko yung different angles. So, gustong-gusto nila ako pag naggagano na ako. Kasi nga, lagi ko silang ini-example sa life nila. Pag ganito ka, masyado kang ganito mag-isip sa buhay. Maybe hindi mo naisip yung other person, hindi naman same ng pag-isip sa'yo. So, sila mismo napapaisip, and then, mas magaan pag umalis sila at ginagawa nila yung work nila kasi naintindihan nila.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good, no? It's more on you became more effective in your communication, coach. No, meta models, you
Yes.
know how to maximize kasi mga what if, na you see the person's point of view, and it's amazing how you use it in this context. Ito nga yung maganda, coach, sa mga sessions natin, no? Especially for me kasi I learned it in different ways of how to use it, no? I don't only teach it, but syempre iba-iba din yung mga kumbaga background din nyo when you're using it. And ang galing lang that you were able to really maximize it every day, right? Yung rapport, meta models, reframes. So, very good, no? Now, coach, if you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself who was struggling, ano yung sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Learn NLP. Honestly, that's my advice because it's not taught in school.
Yeah.
And if you want to level up the way you think about people and life, you really have to learn NLP. There's a lot of tools and techniques, and you will be in control with your life. But of course, you need the right education and tools so that you know how to communicate better, to understand better. So, yun lang, coach. I wish nalaman ko to earlier. Kasi mas madali sana ang buhay. Kasi sometimes you think it's a problem. Like, may mga iniisip kang, kaya ganito, ganyan. And then I caught myself, bakit naman hindi ako mag-isip lang? Kunwari, magagalit ako. Worth it ba to na magalit ako? Anong maitutulong kapag nagalit ako? Maybe itong taong to may pinagdadaan. So, mas lumalim yung pag-intindi ko sa tao at sa buhay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Very inspiring, coach, no? Imagine from a person feeling that communication has been a hindrance, no? And you, Coach Jory, shows us that it's possible to rewrite our stories. Ano yung key dito? Taking the first step and believing that change is
Yes,
within reach. Now, Coach, if
yes.
you could summarize your journey in one sentence, ano yun and bakit?
I never knew life could be this easy and beautiful. It took me long time to struggle on my own when all I do was to educate dapat yung sarili ko and, find somebody who can guide you. It was sooner.
Yeah, me too. I agree. Sana ako rin. Sana it was, let's say, 10 years ago or even earlier, no? But I feel that it had to happen during our time right now, eh. Kasi prepared na tayo, coach, eh. Siguro during that time, baka hindi rin natin ma-embrace yung nangyayari. No?
Mm-mm.
Now, coach, what's one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to NLP?
Hmm, actually, yung mantra ko kasi ngayon, life is meaningless. It's the meaning you give into it.
Galing.
And for me, I choose to fill it with beautiful, positive, and empowering things. So, yeah.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. It's so inspiring. No? Ang galing. Which is really true. Life is meaningless. It's you who gives meaning on life, right? You can give it a
Mm.
positive or negative meaning. So why not put in something that is going to be colorful, bright, full of love, no, full of abundance
Yes.
and wealth, coach. No, thank you, coach, for sharing that. No, now, coach, yung mga manonood nito, makikinig nito, who feel stuck right now, ano yung message mo sa kanila?
You feel stuck because you don't know what you need to know and you're not taking action. We all are powerful human beings with full potential. It is your responsibility to make yourself better and, to become the best version of yourself. Start with assessing yourself, ano yung mga behavior and belief that are stopping me from achieving my goals and living the life that I want. Again, you are in control of the life that you want. So take action and, free yourself from negativity. Kasi there's always a choice to choose the positive.
Yeah. There's always a choice to choose the positive, no? If
Mm-mm.
a lot of people will just know this, yung ginagawa natin, coach, 'di ba? Mas magaan sana yung buhay ng lahat ng tao. But
Oo, coach.
no,
Actually, life is really beautiful and it's simple. Tayo lang ang tao ang nagpapahirap. And because, yun nga, dahil sa mga programming natin, kailangan ganito ako, kailangan ganyan. So, dahil din, yung program coming from paano tayo lumaki. So, para kasi siyang yung brain natin, yun yung library niya. So, kung yung library mo, puro negative, syempre, negative din ang lalabas. So, simple lang ang buhay. Minsan iisipin mo lang talaga, kunwari, 20 na lang ang pera mo, tapos wala pang sahod. So, ang daming mga tao na nagko-complain na agad na wala na akong pera, ganyan, ganyan. But you can also say, at least may 20 pa ako. Or take action na, okay, anong gagawin ko instead of complaining. So, simple lang naman ang buhay. Tayo lang talaga nagpapahirap.
oh,
And
thank
then, if you
you.
choose negativity, ano bang makukuha mo sa negativity?
Yeah, I
Wala
agree.
rin.
I agree, coach, no? So, yeah, choose what's best, no? Be at cause, no? Focus on what you want and keep taking action talaga, coach, no? It's one thing that we can only, kumbaga, yan yung talaga yung pwede natin gawin, no? It's focus on the positive. And maganda kasi we
Yeah.
have tools on how to do it. Eh. We have reframes, we have meta models to help us focus on what we want, no? Focus on what's positive.
Yeah, I just want to add, coach, lagi kong iniisip na etong tao to, kunwari hindi ko nagustuhan yung sinabi niya or ginawa niya. O minsan, nawawalan ako ng pasensya,
Mm.
kaka-explain tapos hindi nakikinig. Iniisip ko, hindi ako naiinis dito sa taong to. Naiinis ako sa program niya.
Yeah.
So parang program, parang computer. So iniisip ko, paano ko kaya ma-upgrade yung program niya? Paano ko ma-upload yung new info sa utak niya? So, nacha-challenge ako actually, nacha-challenge ako na, okay, so hahaba ang pasensya ko, bibigyan ko siya ng mga examples o kaya mga situations. What if ganito? What if ganyan? O kaya minsan, pag ginawa mo to, at pag ginawa mo yan, what would you feel?
Yeah.
Magiging masaya ka ba?
Yeah.
O kaya kung kunwari nag-i-insist ka, if it makes, sometimes I just give up and say, if it's really makes you happy, if it's really aligned with you, go ahead. So, hindi na ako nakikipagtalo.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah, yeah.
naisip ko, wala na akong problema. O, diba?
Yeah, yeah. It makes sense eh. If it's aligned with you, wala na talaga tayo. Yeah, if
Oo,
gusto
if
mo yan,
it's
edi
really
okay.
aligned with you, kasi iba-iba naman tayo ng alignment. I-align sa'yo yung ganyan, edi go ahead. Mm-mm.
Ayan everyone, no? I hope you've got a lot of insights from Coach Jory kasi ako mismo ang dami kong insights na nakukuha. And sobrang practical na mga insights mo, coaches, that those are the things that we use every day because we will be experiencing a lot of negative individuals, yung mga toxic na mga tao, di ba? And as much as we
Yeah.
want to help them and as much as we want to reprogram them, pero kung ayaw talaga nila, wala tayong magagawa dyan, no? So, at least we can just keep our peace, di ba? Keep our peace and then
Yeah. Totoo yan.
kung anong alignment para sa kanila, edi alignment nila
And
yon.
sometimes, knowledge is not for everyone. Kasi kapag close talaga ang mind nila, kaysa naman sirain mo yung mood mo,
True.
'di ba? You just have to accept na, okay, hindi pa sila ready.
Big.
And then you can loosen the grip. Yun yung nga sabi mo, 'di ba? You can loosen the grip day by day.
Yeah.
Kausapin mo, bigyan mo ng situation every day, maglulusen din yan.
Yes. And just like what happened to my mother, Coach Jory, na it took her 3 years to loosen the grip, no? It took me 3 years to loosen the grip with my mother. Imagine 3 years, ha? But if you're asking me, worth it ba? Yeah, syempre kasi mahal naman natin sa buhay, eh. Imagine helping people that we love, no? And seeing their transformation right now compared before. So,
Mm.
tiyaga lang talaga. We need to just be patient. It's also teaching us to be patient din, eh. That's
Yes.
one that's it's also teaching us na how much do we truly love a person, 'di ba? Parang first time lang hindi nag-work tapos ikaw give up ka na sa tao, 'di ba? So anong klaseng tao rin tayo? It would also reflect what kind of person we are na kung konting problema lang biglang crumble tayo. So hindi talaga aligned yung purpose natin, 'di ba? But yeah, it would always go back, no, to what is the purpose? What is our purpose for doing this? What is the intention? Because it will really push us to become the best version of ourselves, Coach. No, Coach, this time around, it's your turn naman. No? Do you have any programs that you want to promote or you want to share to everyone? So this is your opportunity. Saan kanila ma-reach out, especially those who are in UAE right now, who's looking for support. No, you have Coach Jory here, Coach. So yeah, the floor is yours, Coach.
Yeah, coach. If yun nga, meron akong ipapromote, it's your program, coach. It really, really changed me. Mas lumawak yung pag-iisip ko, yung hindi ako agad-agad, alam mo yun, na nag-give in dun sa mga negative things kasi naintindihan ko na it's not the person. So, simple lang naman ako, coach. If anyone wants advice, they can, connect me to my Facebook account or WhatsApp. Yeah, yun lang, coach.
Oh, thank you for that, Coach. And everyone, if gusto nyo magpa-coach kay Coach Jory in Forex, promote na kita. You can reach out to her. And,
Yes,
yeah,
I've been trading for 7 years now. Yan ang one thing and one only thing na align sa akin. Hindi ako into sports for a long time. My God, siguro when I was 32 years old, dun ko lang nahanap yung sagot. Sabi ko, Lord, hindi ako sports person. Hindi rin ako mahilig sa singing, dancing. Wala akong katalent-talent, Lord. Bakit? Honestly, for a long time, kasi sabi nila you have to find your passion.
Hmm.
So for a long time, sabi ko, Lord, ano bang passion ko? And there you go, Forex. Forex talaga kasi I love um studying the chart, reading the chart, and of course, big money.
Yeah, definitely, coach. Alam mo, that's how someone who's passionate would talk, no? No,
Mm.
I love reading the charts kasi yung iba yan parang effort eh. For me, it's a effort. So, it's hindi pa sa ganyan na level, no? So, that's why the moment that you find what you are good at and what you are passionate enough, coach, and that the time that you will give, kasi kung passionate ka, magbibigay ka talaga ng oras diyan, no? Just like me when I discovered NLP, sabi ko, Lord, NLP talaga yung sa akin, no? Kasi I was also searching Coach Jory kung saan ba talaga ako, no? I've been trying a lot of things, 'di ba? As a doctor, tapos may laundry pa, may water refilling, pero hindi pa rin ako masaya eh. I was not really good at it. I feel na parang ganyan lang, steady lang. But when I discovered NLP, and nagbago rin yung buhay ko, coach, sabi ko, Lord, ito na talaga, no? I want to be the best here, no? Na as much as possible, gusto kong tulungan yung mas maraming tao as long natutulungan din nila. No? Kasi at the end of the day, coach, yun nga yung sabi mo eh. They can only they need to decide to change it. They have to want to change. Kasi kung ayaw nila, hanggang loosening the grip lang talaga tayo, no? We can just only do so much for them, but that decision to change, nasa kanila pa
Yes.
rin, coach.
So when the student is ready, the teacher will appear.
I agree. I
Mm.
agree with that. No, right now I think that's one of the I think that's one of the lessons that I've realized, Coach Jory. No, kasi dati in sales, syempre, gusto ko yung syempre lahat ng tao mag-enroll sa program ko, di ba? Kasi alam natin how powerful it is.
Yes.
But I realize right now na meron talagang tao para sa atin. I think there are really people meant for our community eh. Kasi syempre iba-iba naman ng mga values, right? May ibang tao for this trainer. But syempre yung gusto ko na parehas sa atin mag-isip na we want to be the best version of ourselves and at the same time, kahit pa paano ma-inspire naman sila sa buhay natin, Coach Jory.
Ganun talaga, coach. Life is not easy habang ginagawa mo yung
Mm.
whatever you are passionate with. But then, kung passion mo talaga yan, you keep going anyway,
Yeah, I
no
agree.
matter how many times you fail.
I agree. Ako ang daming learnings, no? Especially last year, coach. Ang dami kong learnings that are putting in boundaries, no? Wag na magpatapak sa ibang tao. Kasi dati parang may pagka people pleaser ako eh. So I had a hard time
Oh,
kumbaga.
ganyan din ako, coach, before. Actually, at this moment, parang nawala na yung pagiging
Yeah.
pleaser ko. Kasi, I really have to protect my boundary. I have to protect my energy. And hindi naman lahat na-appreciate nila yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah, I agree.
Laging may masasabi.
Yeah. I
Di ba?
agree. I
And
agree,
then
coach.
sometimes, I mean, I think it's not sometimes, it's really the process na when you start elevating, nag-i-improve ka, they say na it's lonely on the top kasi you shed people
Yeah.
that are not aligned or same frequency with you. So, before, nasasaktan ako kasi parang feeling ng mga tao, nag-iba ako, when in fact, hindi naman ako ang nag-iba. Hindi lang na-align na yung mga interest namin. And then they feel may gap na.
Yeah.
So hindi naman ako ang nag-change. Parang sila mismo na-intimidate sa sa'yo. Kunwari, um, kapag nag-improve ka, you improve the way you talk, you improve the way you dressed up, you improve the way you project yourself. Yan pa lang, ay, nakaka-intimidate. Anong nangyayari sa kanya? Bakit nabago siya? O parang ganun, di ba? Tapos yung same level mo before, sasabihin nila, ay, hindi ko na siya bet kasi masyadong malakas na ang aura niya. Oo, di ba? Tapos, hindi ka na nila bet, hindi na sila masyadong nakaka-jive sa'yo. Before, sabi ko nga, bakit ganun? Ba't parang lumalayo sila? Siyempre, family. Okay, that's what hurts kasi family pa. So, then realize ko, ganun pala talaga.
Yeah.
Basta ikaw, clean ang conscience mo na wala kang ginagawang masama. Hindi lang nila naintindihan. So, but then, the good thing is, syempre may new people naman who will come into your life na, same mindset, elevated yung pag-iisip. Yeah. So,
Exactly.
ayun na nga.
I agree, coach. No? I agree. That also happened to me right now in my journey. And napansin ko na even if let's say, kasi it's either the people around you, sasabay sila sa'yo or mawawala
Yes.
sila sa'yo. No, so alam mo talaga kung sinong para sa'yo, no? If you elevate, kasi syempre hindi na tayo parehas dati mag-isip eh. 'Di ba kung puro marites lang yung pinag-uusapan, hindi na tayo ganyan na
Mm-mm.
level. Parang sayang yung oras natin. But one thing that I discovered as well, coach, the more that we elevate, we also find people in that space. No, that's
Yeah.
why yung community natin, 'di ba? Solid yung community natin, may mga classmates tayo, and I have friends as well from other countries who thinks like this, no? Thinks the same. So, minsan parang kahit pa ilang buwan kami nag-uusap, pero pag nag-usap naman, let's say parang tayo, right? Pag nag-usap tayo, parang kailan lang yung parang kailan lang, no? Pero that's amazing with the process kasi coach. That's why people are so afraid to change because they think that they will be alone there. But in reality, if they decide to be better, they will also attract better individuals in their life, coach. No, so
Yeah.
hindi na kaya ng aura natin na
Oo. And
ma-attract tayo nila.
coach, pag naka-help ka rin, I think I help a lot of people in my own way ng advices ko every day, every single day. And pag nakikita ko yung changes din nila from where they are before and now, how they think before, how they talk before, and compare now, lagi ko talagang ina-appreciate, coach, na, you know what? Naririnig mo ba ang sarili mo? Before, ang lakas mong mag-complain, ang lakas mong napaka-nega mo, and look at you now. Look at you. Alam mo yung nakaka-proud dahil syempre nakakatulong ka rin na, it's the way you think.
I agree. Wow, thank you so much for sharing that, coach. No? And I agree, that's the reason why kailangan natin may tools para pag nagsasalita tayo, intentional tayo pag nagsasalita, no. Alam natin yung nangyayari sa kanila when we give a reframe, when we do meta models, no. Kumbaga, we have that intention of helping them. And after a while, syempre, nakaka-proud din that nakikita mo yung breakthrough nila, right? Imagine, yung sabi mo after 2 hours lang biglang nagising siya sa katotohanan. And then, yun
Mm-mm.
na, nagbago na. That's the impact of what we're doing, coach. And also, to everyone watching, no, that's the power of having the right tools with the right intentions. Imagine, gusto mong tumulong sa ibang tao, tapos meron ka ng tamang tools, ano yung nangyayari? Mas powerful yung pagbabago nila. No? So,
Yes. And, before, tinatanong ko ang sarili ko, ano bang purpose ng life?
mm,
And now, masasagot ko siya na, okay, I have a responsibility to become the best version of myself. That is my main responsibility.
galing. Ang galing, coach. Now, coach, thank you so much for this time. Ang dami kong nakuha sa'yo. So, coach, before we formally end this with a prayer na lang, coach, no? So, Lord, thank you for this opportunity to be a witness to Coach Jory's life. Thank you for her testimony, Lord. And sa lahat ng mga tao na tutulungan niya, please bless her, her family, their careers, Lord. Be with them always, Lord God. And continue using Coach Jory, si Coach Randy, to inspire more people. Grant them abundance and grace and also prosperity, Lord, so that they may be able to share more to other people. This we ask in your name. Amen. One of the biggest challenges I see in organizations today isn't skill or intelligence, it's mental overload. Leaders are burnt out, emotionally reactive, repeating the same decisions, and under pressure, they fall back to old patterns. This silently affects productivity, leadership effectiveness, communication, and even company culture. Most companies invest heavily in skills training. Very few invest in removing the internal mental and emotional blocks that silently sabotage performance. That's where I come in. I help organizations and individuals improve performance by addressing the part most companies and individuals ignore: the mental and emotional patterns that silently affect decision making, leadership, and execution. Using evidence based NLP and timeline therapy frameworks, I help leaders and teams eliminate hidden mental blocks, regulate stress and emotions under pressure, and reprogram their mindsets for clearer decisions, stronger accountability, and faster goal execution. The result is improved leadership effectiveness, reduced burnout, better communication, and higher overall performance without adding more workload and complexity. How much do you think will that add to your bottom line when your leaders and you yourself and teams are operating at your fullest capacity? For example, many high-performing executives are still unconsciously driven by past stress, pressures, or limiting decisions that affect how they lead today. I help them reset their mental and emotional operating system. So instead of reacting, overworking, or repeating the same problems, they lead with clarity, emotional control, and strategic focus. Companies invest in us when they want leaders who perform consistently under pressure and teams that execute without emotional drag. Traditional trainings adds knowledge. I remove internal resistance so everything you've already trained actually works. I help organization improve performance by fixing the hidden mental and emotional patterns that affect decision making and execution. Using NLP and timeline therapy, I help leaders stay clear, composed, and focused under pressure, so they make better decisions, reduce burnout, and execute goals faster without adding more workload. Once again, I'm Dr. June Acevedo, Mindset Mastery and Transformational Leadership Coach, and a certified Neurolinguistic Programming Master Trainer. Now, do you want to reprogram your mindset for unstoppable success? DM me, transform, and let's chat. Let me help you transform your life.